Yesterday, I started documenting my $1,000 trading account here. The goal is to show you that with less than 2 hours of active trading every week, you can actually trade a $1,000 Forex account and make a modest income that can actually help you. Maybe you have someone that is working or you are doing something else, but you have been considering the Forex market. Is it actually possible to make reasonable income trading the Forex market? And that is why I am doing this. Okay, so we started that documentation yesterday. The trading account I have here, I started with $500, but we have now grown it to about 1,200, and I want to take you along as we trade. If you want to learn how to trade, you will know that you are not wasting your time, that the skill can actually help you to make a meaningful income, especially if you are in Nigeria where the minimum wage is so low and the cost of things are getting so high. Inflation is taking a lot, and you can no longer rely just on one source of income. If you want to start looking into Forex trading, then let what I am doing here be an inspiration to you. We started this account with just $500. So let's go to the history and you can see it. If you look at the history of this trade and go down to last 3 months and you scroll down, you will see that this account I have made a total profit of $790.68 in profit. If I go down in history, let me custom period maybe to the entire history. You will see here, if I go to the beginning of this account, that we deposited only $500 here. That is the total deposit we made on this account. And if you scroll down, you can see that we have made a total of $706 in profit. That is more than 100% return in about 3 months. And if you are trading this account and you are in Nigeria, so let's say you make $700 divided by 3, which gives you a total of about $233.33 every month, while your capital is still safe. And if you do this times the current exchange rate, if you multiply $233 by the current exchange rate, you are actually making around 373,000 naira every month. I do not know the kind of job that will be giving you this kind of income in Nigeria today. And the fact is that with just less than 2 to 3 hours of trading per week, if you know what you are doing, you can actually trade it like this. I will be doing this thing regularly to show you that it is very possible to actually achieve this kind of results. Okay, so we closed some of the trade and the profit we made yesterday was around $200 and something. So if I can go here, custom, and then period, and maybe take last 3 days, you'll see that last 3 days we have made around $200 in profit. And these are some of the trades I closed yesterday. So you see that the 2 trades we take was GBP CHF and CHF Japanese yen. If you look at running trades, we took partial profit on those trades because it's a new week. And although I'm a swing trader, I like to take some of the profit out because I want my risks on this account to be within 5%. So you can see the trade we executed, some of the trades there. I have closed 2 because I had 3 entries. If you look at CHF JPY, we only have 0.1 lot remaining and it's already in profit of $76. We have not closed that. And for GBP CHF, the trade is running. I took only 2 positions because it was Friday and it was NFP day. I had to take one of the trade out with around $20 profit and keep one of them running because that trade still has a long way to go. This is the GBP CHF trade on the 4-hour time frames. I executed some of the trades here which I have already closed. Then one of them is still running, which gives us this $15. I also set a pending order, a buy limit in case the market comes back this week, which I think is possible on Monday. The market might come back there. So if for any reason, if the market drops back there, it's going to trigger me in with another 0.1 lot size. Those are the trades that are running. If we look at the analysis of these trades, let me show you what we did. So the first one is CHF, Japanese yen. And this trade has not even started. And if you are somebody that is very busy, you can execute the trade with pending order and go to work. Actually, you don't need all the time for you to be trading, to sit on your computer. Most of these trades will still keep running for weeks to come. The market was in a downtrend around this area. Then it broke out, retested, and then we executed the trade on that trend line. We have already taken some profits on the trade already, as you can see, which we closed around $200 on Friday. It has not even hit the TP, which I'm actually very optimistic that this trade will keep playing for a very long period of time. So on Monday, I might add to this trade. If I see clear position, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, I might add to this trade. So that is a trade. One of the things that can make your life very easy in trading is fundamental analysis. For me, I believe strongly that you cannot trade without having a proper understanding of the fundamentals, because fundamental analysis gives you the overall direction of the market, and fundamental analysis is not news trading. So many persons will go to the chart and just look at the news, and when the news is positive they buy, when the news is negative they sell. It is not like that. From what you are seeing here, we are seeing that you need to analyze things like retail sales, GDP, a lot of things for you to arrive at a valuation of currency, for you to value one economy as a strong economy against another economy as a weak economy. So when you see that one economy is performing well compared to the other one, you will pair the strong one against a weak one and trade. And when you trade that way, you will be able to go and sleep and be confident that this trade will go in your direction for a long period of time. Most of the time, at least 80% of the time, it will go in your favor and you will make money. You don't need to be right all the time for you to make money. And then the next thing is proper risk management, and all these things are possible. So what you can see here, you should follow the progress of this account. From $500, we have now made a profit of $106 in profit. As you can see, this is not a demo account. I am trading everything live. This is a real account with Exness. Okay, so you can follow up the project. Another point you need to understand, for US dollar related currencies this period, you need to understand that US economy is being manipulated due to the tariff wars. The movement of the chart does not reflect on the real nature of the US economy. It is just a reaction to the economic wars due to the tariff and the counter tariff. This period, if I am trading a US dollar pair, I try to limit my risks to BRS minimum, and I involve a level of diversification to ensure that my account is protected. This way we are trading, I am trying to encourage people to trade in a modest way that will ensure the safety of their capital while they keep on growing their profit little by little. We are not in the business to be funding our trading account all the time, especially Nigeria, and the cost of the naira to dollar is very high while people's income is very low. If you manage to fund your account with $500 or you manage to fund with $1,000, you should not be losing that account. You should focus on trading responsibly. So if you want to learn how to trade, the Weldds Forex Academy is one of the best place you can learn how to trade. The cost of our training, the basic training, is around $120. I'm going to give you a 30% coupon to enroll into the Weldds Forex Academy. If you want to do that, you can check the description of this video for information on how to enroll. And then also, if you are new to the channel, I want you to click on the subscribe button and be a part of the channel. I also have a link to my WhatsApp channel where I post some of our trades and information about trading there regularly for some of you to follow me. Like the video, subscribe. If you have any question, ask it in the comment. I'll be very glad to answer your questions. Thank you for watching. You can watch the previous video that I did, the video I did yesterday, and follow the progress of this account. By Monday, I will be back to analyze some of the trades that I am looking to trade in the new week.